right, guys, I am here real quick to give you a quick reminder on how to do your body paragraphs. All right, so we talked about this on Wednesday, but remember that you want to think about for your blueprint and for your body paragraphs, but what two research questions you're going to answer in each body paragraph. And there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's 100% up to you, but I'm going to show you how I linked mine together. I'm going to do 1 and 2, which is purposes and people living there. I'm going to do 3 and 5, and I'm going to do 4 and 6. And again, you can connect these any way that you want. Just know that you're going to have to make a topic sentence that kind of covers both. All right, so I'm going to model kind of the first one for you, and then hopefully you can figure out the other two from there. All right, so when I put 1 and 2 together, and I'm pretty sure this is the example we went over yesterday, but I said there are many purposes of a medieval castle along with a lot of people living inside. So I've talked about that there's many purposes, and I've also introduced that there's lots of different people living inside. Okay, so that is going to be my topic sentence. All right, now when it says question 1 and 2, all right, they're talking about those research questions. And I know this box isn't big enough to write your whole body paragraph. So you can do one of two things. You can go ahead and just put C, research. And you know what? You're going to type those later. But if you're one of those people that you absolutely want to write it out, okay, you want to write it before you type it, and there's some of you out there, and that is fine. What you can do is flip your paper over, right? And I would divide it into 3 separate chunks, right? My paper, and I'm going to put a 1, a 2, and a 3. And I'm going to write my body paragraphs or take notes on what I'm going to put my body paragraphs here. Right? And I can write everything out. So when I go to type, all of my body paragraph information is back here. Now, for those of you who are like, why the heck would I do that when I am just going to type it? Then you can put C research. All right. And you can say, you know what, I'm going to type those when it's time. I'm just going to leave that for now. And either way, either C research, putting that there, or C back and writing it word for word on the back works. It doesn't matter to me which one you do. All right, so additional information is just that. If I have anything else to write about, so when I answer question 1, I'm going to talk about the 4 purposes of a castle. All right, and then I'm going to talk about the different people living inside. If I have any additional information I want to share or somehow connect those together, that goes here with additional information. If you don't have anything else to share, you can leave the additional information blank. Now, the closing I can't quite do right now because remember, your closing is not just going to close this topic. It's also going to introduce the next topic, all right, for my next body paragraph. So I might have to go and do my topic sentence here before I can do my closing here. All right, so that way I'm closing body paragraph number 1 in my closing, but also introducing body paragraph number 2. All right, so hopefully by looking at that, it will give you a better idea on how to combine 3 and 5 or 4 and 6 or however you decided to combine them. So hopefully this makes things a little bit easier. Good luck and happy writing.